Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change the username in Shein application on an Android device. Well, if you are use the same username across multiple platforms or social media accounts, changing it in the Shein application to match your preferred username elsewhere can help maintain consistency and make it easier for others to find and recognize you. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application. So here, you can enter to your profile page and then tap on your username at the top of the screen. After that, click Edit Profile and select Nickname. Okay, and then enter your new username here. Click Save when finished. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change username in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.